Good evening, viewers. We are just visiting a cold storage situated at Rangpur district, the northern part of Bangladesh. This is one of the biggest cold storage of Rangpur. You can see all the way potato bags in the jute bags. They are just grading the potato to isolate the injured one, the better one, the best one, according to the size. There are different sizes, as you can see. The big one, the smaller one, and the very small one. This one, you see, hardly 5 gram weight, 5 gram to 100 gram. See the difference and the variations, because these are our table potatoes, not seed. So this is what they are doing. The people are working here. This is not seed. Please do not be confused with the seed potato and the table potato. This is absolutely very difficult to, if somebody just can't assure you which is seed and which is table potato, it will be difficult to differentiate between these two, the table potato or the ware potato and the seed potato, because they are almost same. See, and these potato will be distributed in different markets to sell in different places of northern area, different hotels, restaurants, and etc. So this is all about. Have a nice day from this cold storage preheating or pre-cooling stage. So have a nice day. Bye bye.